What's up, man?
Just bugging.
Hey man, so we're over here on your 70 VW Beetle, and I see the motor's been out and put back in.
Yeah, we yanked it out because there was no insulation on the back on the firewall, and I just don't really like that. I want it really nice and clean, so pulled it out, and Chad went over it, detailed anything, and put it on a stand. As you'll see in the small little video I recorded off my phone of tuning it and getting it running right. What do we got here? The Bumblebee. Just purring. Responsive, looking good. Maybe a little high idle, but we're ready to go in and fine tune. And hopefully it's not a 2-pump chump. I didn't have the choke adjusted right, so last I had to do is 1-pump chump.
Yeah.
So with the choke right, it should be a no-pump chump.
Yeah, well, it looks really good, all detailed.
Yeah. I mean, while it was out, let's go ahead and make it look really nice. And boy, I tell you, this rear apron removal
makes
really
things
nice.
Way easier.
Makes it so much easier. Didn't have to jack it up in the air or nothing, just right there. Boom. Still climb under it and bolts down. As you see, we got 2 out here.
Yeah, another yellow.
Yellow.
We got the little seat that came with it.
Yeah.
By Larry.
Dalton's got a log.
Yeah, and we're not going to go super fast. We're just going around the block.
This will be the first little voyage out of the backyard.
Yes.
I mean, I've driven it around once or twice right here. Now we're going to explore out. It's
1-pump jump?
no, it's a
No pump jump.
no pump chump.
It's saying
Ain't no 2-pump chump.
yeah.
I hear something on an axle. I don't know if it's just drops haven't been turning for a while.
I hear it too.
That horn. Thumbs up with the horn. Oh well, these are just little quirks, you know. I'm liking that it has brakes. It has front disc brakes and it stops. And I haven't done anything yet to this car at all.
Look at that headliner.
Headliner and pull the motor out, insulation in it, go over the motor, make sure everything is right.
It's got a weird contact.
Do you hear that?
That don't sound good.
Might be in the axle.
It's back right.
Yeah. Doesn't change when you push the brake.
No.
We'll have to figure that out. Put it on jack stands.
Yeah, look at this, guys. I'm sitting on a log.
I think it's, you know, a CV axle or something the brakes dropping.
Probably. No, it don't sound the greatest.
No, it doesn't.
Radio works.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, guess what we are? The Bucket Hat Brothers!
Yeah, Bucket Hat Brothers! I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Something dropping.
It's right side, whatever it is.
Hey, the horn works.
Yeah.
Not properly. We'll figure it out. And that choke needs to be adjusted. It's not going down to the last step.
Yeah. Hey, you like our seats?
What's going on in here, bro?
Woohoo!
What's that?
It's a log.
Oh, you sitting on log?
Sitting on a log.
I mean, it drove fine, but we didn't get on it. We just drove around and limped it because it goes. All right, guys. Hey, we figured out what that sound was. The wheel studs were just a hair too long and coming in on the inside of the drum and tapping the brake shoe as it was going around. So just took a minute mount off the end of the wheel stud and noise went away.
Hey, man. Out with the old.
In with the new.
In with the new. What are you putting on right
These
here?
are the nasty seats that came with the 70 that need to be completely recovered and everything. So I'm disassembling all the seats, pulling all the old nasty upholstery off, and as you can see, I've got the box springs over there for the rear seats. The top one kind of rusty. One of them's a little bent, so I've got some work to do to those. So I went over to the front seats and got all the fabric off. And as you can see, we really like the headliner color. So
We got some TMI, link down in the description.
yeah,
Check
so
them
we
out.
ended up getting the same thing for the door panels and the seats, and it looks so good with yellow. So first time I've ever done this for my own as far as this color. I mean, we did a light color for Pee Wee, the 61 ragtop. So normally I don't go with a light color. It's not specifically for me. I'm building this to intend later on, you know, in the future to sell it. So it's going to be something very appealing.
I
to
feel like a
someone
lighter
else.
color is more spacious, you know,
Yeah,
because
and
most bugs
also
are all
it's
black.
cooler,
Yeah.
being that we're in Florida. I mean, yeah, they could get the electric AC in that car, you know. I don't know if I'll do it, but if I saw someone that says, hey, I'd really like to have AC, you know, I might install AC for them. Why not? Yeah, they're going to look nice. Yeah.
Sweet stuff, guys.
Make sure you clean before you get in the car.
Yeah.
Door panels will match this too.
Nice.
And sun visors.
Nice. Stay tuned, guys. Ooh la la. Looky, looky. Yeah, it looks
At
sweet.
least one piece of one. Looks nice.
Yeah, it
See, look
does.
under here. You can the foam I got from Larry.
Yeah, if you guys remember
This
that.
is just, I like to put something material on the edges of this metal, doesn't cut through it. And the foam wasn't big enough, as you can see. Instead of putting one cut in it, I cut it in the same place and glued it together with adhesive spray. Worked out great.
Yeah, look at that.
Good, huh?
Looks great.
It's gonna look great with that yellow.
Get your seat covers and door panels.
TMI.
Yep, because they have all sorts of colors.
Yeah. Well, we weren't intending to do a DIY video on this, but I cleaned up the box springs. You can see this is the foam that Larry provided when I bought the 70. I trimmed it out, pulled the seat covers over, secured them with the hog's tooth clips, and you can see the bottom were really nice and firm. Worked out great. Very comfortable. There it is, all assembled, and of course there's a little wrinkle. It'll go away.
I love those wheels.
Yeah, I found those
Four
over in
spokes.
Claremont with Dalton. He went with me. Yeah, this one cranks right up. Oh, this
beautiful
ketchup mustard going away.
Oh, you don't like the red? He doesn't like the red.
Stereo, brand new headliner I put in, about to put the carpet kit in. I have TMI Off-White door panels.
Okay, so you're
Door
changing
cards,
the,
yeah.
the mustard
The carpet's
boggin.
gonna be black.
The ketchup mustard.
Everything's gonna go black. It's a
them
rebuilt.
seals are tight.
This 1600.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so-
it's beautiful.
And they got ceramic exhaust all the way to the J pipes.
Love it.
Yeah. So this one's great.
Sweet 70. Beautiful. Love that kind of
And look, pop-out windows, brand new seal, everything's
It's
brand
got
new.
the
The whole body
SoCal
came
look,
off of
wouldn't
it.
you
I
say?
didn't do it. I have the hubcap.
That's
Yeah,
somebody
Somebody should
so-
buy it and take it to California.
brand new
It's
tires
beautiful.
too. I just bought them.
Needs to go on some sort of a continental rip, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. So what do you think? T-bumpers or bumpers? Because I have the bumpers too. Is
Oh,
if
I
they
like the
polish
T-bumpers.
up, huh?
I think the only challenge you run into, you know, when you think about it, right? So you've got this silver wheel. You have a lot of chrome, a lot of
Right.
silver, and they're black.
You're right, but
If
the
they were
chrome
s-
ones always rust. Like this
If-
aftermarket head lens, it's
Yep.
always rust.
Agreed.
This is an original. It doesn't rust.
They don't rust.
That rust. You
I
get
like
those damn
these.
things chrome,
I
they
wish
rust.
I wish they were this color. I think it's a beautiful car, man.
Thanks, man. But I do have the option to go with bumpers. Yeah, they're all brand new seals, everything. Pop outs, everything. Even the windows, every seal on the car is brand new.
Absolutely
The
beautiful.
body to the chassis from seals are new.
Love it.
Thank you. Hey, what's up? How you like my 70, man? Hey, we got the stance just right. Yeah, we took apart the rear end of this one, and one side was kind of kicked up, and Chad kept going around. I'd go, hey, you get 2 fingers
Oh,
here and
yeah,
4
yeah.
fingers over there. So we got in there and we adjusted it, and we did put some 2.5 drops on the back, and it was just too much.
It was tucking.
And also we went and bought brand new tires, matched the front.
Downsized.
Yeah, downsized them because those were dune buggy rims and tires
Yeah.
before. So
Well, it looks sweet. And don't worry about this. This
yeah,
will
it's
clean
all
up.
just stuff. The car's got mold on it, and we haven't cleaned it up yet. Soon to be installing our blaze cut
Yeah.
up here. Yeah, courtesy of Blaze Cut. Will be
Look at those plates and running boards now.
sill
Oh,
plates.
EMPI.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're gonna go check out and see what G-Man's doing on the 70. Hey man, what are you doing over here?
Well, just got done putting in the new door cards, the off-white that matches the headliner.
Look at that. Looking
really nice,
sweet.
huh?
TMI.
This is the lightest color I've ever done for myself, you know. It's one of our cars. And, you know, Pee-wee's was light. But it's just the yellow. Once I put the headliner in, and you made the suggestions, hey, let's keep it lighter. I mean, the carpet's going to be black. I mean, the dash is black, steering wheel's black. You get black door handles. So it's going to go good with it. And you don't want a lighter color on the floor, you know, with your shoes and everything. But, yeah, and the seats are going to be the same color as the door panels. So a little bit cooler, you know, in the Florida sun.
Yeah.
You know, so, and spacious because it's a lighter color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks sweet. I
Yeah.
like it. Anything looks better than the ketchup and mustard. Let's be honest.
Yeah, we said we were going to do this. So I'm going to get ready to vacuum this out. Tomorrow we'll get to putting the carpet in.
Yep, and stay tuned for that. Looking sweet, man.
Oh,
Love
yeah. Can't wait to see the seats in it.
Yep. Hey guys, it's Dalton.
And G-Man.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video on the yellow 1970 VW Beetle. In this video, we got the engine detailed, installed it. We went on our first test drive, which went great, right?
Yeah, except for that tapping noise. Wheel studs were just a hair too long hitting the shoes.
Luckily, it wasn't anything major.
No.
Then, as you saw, my father did the upholstery with the TMI seat covers for the front and rear, which turned out great.
Yeah, they're really plush and comfortable, front and rear.
So if you don't end up going black by purchasing EMPIs, seat covers, then you have the other option of going with different colors with TMI. So there gives you two options right there. Check the links down in the description for both of those options. Also, as you saw, James VanagonMan came from
my good buddy
Bradenton, Florida, and stopped by to visit us and check out what projects we're working on at the moment. Also, as you saw, we got the stance right finally, and yeah, those dune buggy tires were a little too big in the back, so we went a little bit smaller
we had to
size.
downsize. We want people to be able to rotate the tires, you know, whoever might buy it when I do sell it.
And the door panels are beautiful. Great TMI door panels. Definitely check out the link down in the description for those. I think they really suit the yellow correctly.
Oh yeah, it coordinates really well together.
And as you saw, we're getting ready for the carpet, so stay tuned for the next video on the 1970 yellow VW Beetle, where you'll see my father install the EMPI Black Carpet Kit, the 7-piece for the front and the 5-piece for the rear. So stay tuned for that video, guys. But we hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, please show us some love by dropping a like, comment, and of course subscribe, because once we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're having another giveaway for all our VW lovers. Have a just bugging of a day.
And keep on bugging out there, and you can do this yourselves. So make that bug beautiful.